Howdy, partner. So you want to learn how to upgrade your air vent covers? We are in luck. We're going to show you today. Today, we're going to walk you through how to upgrade these old 1990s or older air vent covers and put them into one of these cool looking new modern sleek designs. So I have no affiliation with this company. I just ordered these linear vent covers off of BuildMart, and I'll go ahead and link them in the description. We're going to show you today how they work, how to install them, and hopefully if it's an easy and nice upgrade to an older house. So stay tuned and check out it step by step by step. So step one, I'm using my handy dandy 6-in-1 screwdriver here. Use this for a lot of projects. You're just going to go ahead and unscrew the existing air vent that you have up here, the existing cover. Should be pretty easy. It's probably some sort of a hex screw. It's going to have two of them. So you want to go ahead and take that down. Wear eye protection if you're underneath it, because as you see, a lot of dust is going to come out. And once we get that out, then we will step on the next step. So here we go. It's real dusty and dirty. The next step is you need to measure the size of your opening. So the size of this opening is about 4 inches by 8 inches. They're all going to be different sizes, so you want to check all your different openings. But that's 4 by 8, and that is the size that you're going to order. See, 8 by 4 standard linear slot diffuser. So that's what you're going to do. Measure that part. Don't measure the face of the diffuser. Now, when you compare this new diffuser to the old one, you could take this old one down and you could spray paint it white, and you could make it look nice and fresh. But this is just a totally different design. This one here is a more modern, sleek look. It's really, feels pretty thick. We'll see how it works. I imagine the engineering was done to make sure it's pushing out the same volume of air. So I'm trusting that it was. But, you know, the back of it has different types of vents and nozzles. And pretty much, I'll show you what the instructions are, how to get set up, and how to put it in. Here we go. So when you get this from the factory, it's going to be, this is actually in the open position with these two closed. But you can't see really where you put the screws. So you're going to take a non-marking, you know, some sort of something to pry in there. You're going to open these two. When you open those, you're going to expose 2 screw holes. One right there, one right there. And then you expose 2 more screw holes there and there. Now these can be moved, so you can partially close one side to force the air to go this way, or you can open, or you can close them both, and that would be totally closed, or you can push them this way. So it just depends on how you want to set it up. There's actually instructions that come with it that show you which way they go, to where they go left, right, or whatever. So it is somewhat adjustable. But we got it open now, so we're going to get up there. It did come with these long pre-painted screws, and they are self-tapping, but you do need a drill. So we'll get up there, we'll drill these in, and we'll see how it goes. We're also going to wipe that down and get a little dust down first. All right, so we started getting it attached. You're going to take that screw, you're going to need some sort of extension or a long drill bit so that you can get a good angle. But you're going to kind of set it up in there, and then work it in. Once it's all the way in there, then we want to go ahead and open up those things. It's closed, and you can hear the air's on, and it's trying to blow through. So I'm going to open these straight down here. Now it's silent again. And it feels like good flow. Well, that was a pretty easy update. I think it looked kind of cool. It looks very modern, really refreshed the space. We'll see how this does, and if it does well, we may end up doing a whole house. Like I said, we purchased this one. They are not inexpensive. You know, they're pricey, but these aren't that cheap either. They're more than these, but you know, go ahead and link it. You can check the price currently, but they were not inexpensive. Doing the whole house would cost you several $100s, but it's pretty cool look. So appreciate you tuning in. Hope this was helpful for this linear slot diffuser air vent. And remember, with all these videos that I do, if I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching.